ku Musani Media olunaku olwatusinzidde wano mu disitulikiti y'e Butaleja era ng'ekituleese olunaku olwaleero ye assistant RDC wa disitulikiti eno omukulu Jimmy Nambiro ng'abadde atalagako amalwaliro ag'enjawulo mu disitulikiti eno okulaba kutya emirimu egitambula, abalwadde bafiibwako bulungi, eddagala weeri mu malwaliro awamu n'ebintu ebiranga birina okutambula mu malwaliro. Wabula olunaku olwaleero nga okutambula kubadde kwonna okutalaga amalwaliro ag'enjawulo okugeza nga mu ddwaliro erya Kachonga Health Center 3, Nabiganda Health Center 4 awamu ne Butaleja Health Center 3 ge malwaliro getusobodde RDC gasobodde okuba nga atuukamu, wabula nga embeera egenza okukomekerezebwa nga mu ddwaliro erya Nabiganda Health Center 4 abantu abali 10 bagenze ku poliisi okukola statement nga kiva ku ki ekivudde ku nsonga y'okuba nti bavuddeyo ne beekubira enduulu nga bagamba nti baggibwako ssente zino bagamba nti zibagibwako mu kukebera ebintu nga puresya, mukebera ebintu nga sukaali, mukebera ebintu nga alusa n'ebintu nga typhoid. So nga ate okusinza ku RDC agamba nti empeereza eno yonna ya bwereere mu malwaliro aga gavumenti era nga embeera egenza okukkakana oba RDC agenza okuba mufo kino ng'alagidde ne in charge awamu n'omumyuka we okubanga bagenda ku poliisi nabo okubanga bakola statement era eddimu nalikwasa poliisi okubanga enoonyeza ku nsonga eno. Amalwaliro amalala gatuukiddwamu embeera ebadde etambula bulungi nga byonna etugenda okubanga tubikutuusako ku Musani Media.
You can see the number. We have sent others, but still the number is so big. Yeah, the only challenges we have is stock out of drugs. That one is we don't have drugs. Like the number is still big here because the fastest thing is the testing.
This is
Kachonga.
Kachonga.
The fastest thing is
This is the health center, what?
very
This is
Benjamin Sabina.
yeah. Sabula.
Yes.
Sabula.
Yes.
Very good. So you drugs.
Yeah.
Short.
Have some. They are there, but anti-malarials are.
Radio.
Then the malaria testing kits, the RDTs, because for them they are very fast. Right now we have them tested.
RDTs.
Yes.
You have them.
We have them stock.
RDTs
Yes.
out of stock. Is the DHO aware?
Yes.
And what has he done?
We got actually when I informed him,
Yes.
they redistributed some redistribution.
The distribution from the centers
Yeah,
that
from
had
the center to it was in Bingo,
bingo
but we got only 15, around 15.
in the 15.
Yeah.
So what are these guys suffering from mostly? What are the issues that you encountering?
Mostly is malaria.
Malaria. So malaria, what is other than treating as a doctor? What are you telling them?
We actually in Ireland we first do health education.
Education.
Yeah, we know to prevent sleeping and mosquito net, like maybe clearing the bush, around the compound, closing the doors and windows early in the evening, that and sleeping under mosquito nets. Yeah, we have some mosquito nets, but we prioritize them for mothers.
For mothers, pregnant mothers.
Pregnant mothers and children who are for immunization.
Bite baluma abantu muri balwaye mwebene abana nje balwaye hine hibaluma omusuja okay ngahani osoka nenda kwebasa dokita kubanga mwagere ku mirimu esama sinabana nga disejime nambiro epologoma yabagoja basinga obungi mupulira already ndi assistant RDC wa district ya Butaleja ndinga nokulwa president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni mumanyi njo mukulembeze wefu w'eggwanga era president genda mubebalamu kubanga ku 2026 ali kwenda Haruru si kyekyo nenga ani noba mulwaye songiza hunga president Haruru songiza hunga Haruru n'obulwayo buli kulwala mbaye ndi kulomangaho ni dokita ongambagana n'omusujja omusujja gavumenti yeffe egehisyeho okugaba obutimba bwesuna abasinga obungu obutimba bwesuna hukozehise hutye nje hitu ihulu waira abaana bano omusujja okubalumaluma omusujja guleetebwa n'esuna esuna egyo gavumenti gitungayo obutimba obulimu n'amadagala n'obutimba obwo bukozesa singa olwaleero simbula inewenga noti butimba ey'omwera wangenyuhiremu hatimba hesuna olwegyo n'abaana bose bangenyuhiremu hatimba hesuna omanyire se ndi musomesa amakwesomehesanga muhibiina mutegeeye mwesi ati mutegeeye mahani abandi mwenda hundulinga mutumigenyuhamu butimba bwesuna naye nga nimutahola hina yes, that's the truth. Abandi simungenyuha mu butimba bwesuna mumunguma simwafuna oba ng'olina abaana ehumi wafunaho bubiri nengaana obubiri buno huli bukozesa bulami oba masalamu mwalama muti kubanga bapayo obubiri nina abaana ehumi sinange nyusemu baana so ehituyina ndo balomera hirihiri obona dokita nwanamune nga nona bakubba episo anga bonomera ati ddagala lyomusujja limwoyemu olwedi kikyekyo tidagala lyomusujja limwoyemu kubanga dimandi abalyenda nja bange kikyekyo naani fwe nga gavumenti kulomaho singa hungenyuhamu butimba bwesuna singa kwangalayangala gakeba galingango kwagatusamu enyasi litwetoloye kwalisanga kwalyosha esuna jiba sigisaala esuna nigitasaala omusujja kuba sibugufuna n'olwensonga eyo n'olumujja kudwaliro nga nomuba muli kujja batono babale gavumenti noleeta eddagala libalikola hina libalituhena kwakozesa nilituhena bulami wene ne singa sibukola biitu ebyo mu luzungu balumanga bati prevention is better than cure. Mwebale omuhono abadokita bahuwene bahunandihire eddagala amasina bananga ndi Sejjime Nambiro assistant RDC Eutaleja banga bapuliranga muli bangi n'abandi bamulira muntu si bambonangaho so lwaleero huli kugenda nikulambulaho amadwaliro ubone ebintu ebitina mumone mu madwaliro abandi muloma muti abasamu babasunga ebeesa hituufu alingwangwali abandi be newe oli kulomanyo nga nibo abandi beyirinsa eti abasamu babasunga ebeesa jeifuyaho okwenyuha huje huwone obujanjabi obumuli nohufuna buli nohuba wawerere obujanjabi buli nohuba wahina obujanjabi buli nohuba wahina obutusaho hamunga dokita nangandikire eddagala li gavumenti lyetaleeta mumulira President Museveni genda mwezi mufuna obujanjabi bubooleho abasamu buli musamu alinga no gavumenti musasula muli hufuna so nga musamu husungete kati ataleta emitwalo giti ataleta emitwalo giti wawula himba erindi hulomeranga abashenyi abo mumadwaliro agandi ti mwesi muli nokukola omulimu omubulamu wenywe kubanga nitindire ningendaho mumadwaliro agandi kuli kuwona kuti omusujja njo gusingamu obungi era nimbusanga n'abalwayi omusujja sindinywa bange doctor, don't you think the malaria guys are the many here? Malaria ngahani malaria nja ali husinga obasumbuwa nolukusense nenga malaria nihubalanga nohubatu 188 abalwayi musujja ogwesuna gavumenti yamwoyo yagaba obutimba owesuna abandi muungambisa nyeni abandi mwawuta hunani kubedi gyomuchere andi muungenyuhemu obandi muwihe bana obutimba wesuna notuwiseko esho abandi obutimba bwesuna ni bani utahena na ngambo nga humwera esuguli twetoloye muone esuguli yo singali balingi ngambo esuna gisaliramu esuna ni gisaliramu esuna ni gisaliramu jahuluma ngolwalo musuja ebikebe bino bikudanya onyoyemo oba soda oba bikolino obunanyizibwa bwekokubona kwetangira obulwayo ekyo musuja gwesuna singa kuba nkukolire kwanganywamu butimba bwesuna basanga enyasi litwetoloye walewo okuyigirisa maji okutwetoloola amakugona kwamanya kuti nibubani bujja okuyira esaawa 12 kuyigalemu amadinisa esuna gireyo okuyingira omusujja gwesuna kujja kugukendeesako nolwensonga eyo gavumenti nololeeta eddagala mudwaliro munoli bamulingi aliwo eddwaliro lipamulica balomere masina amadagala gandi galimu neddagala eryo omusujja gwesuna likolire kina ling'oyemu nobutuupima omusujja gwesuna bukolire kina ling'oyemu so omulanga gugenda obakubiranga gavumenti guli guti kukola ebintu bye byokwetangira eggwanga lyosi singa libaamu abantu abalamu singa nga kaninyo mubenga n'omwesi mumuunire nga nolwaleero si lwa balaza mubenge ni muli balamu singa hati muli kukola ebintu bimuzungu byalanga muba muli involved muhingulanga kuti productive activities muli kunimiro muli kulima muli mu business muli kusuubula n'eggwanga nga lifune beesa nga abantu bagagawala n'eggwanga niribamu abantu nibali balwaya bena bange eggwanga litina nirisereba mu byefuna muhiwene so kujja kweyongera ni kubasomesa n'omulanga gumba kubira guli guti mufweyo kubulamu dokita nahiri kufwayo kubulamu wo ndiwo lino kufwayo kushina kubulamu wo oliyo otye ongenyuhiro otye ogendiro otye oli kuona kuba kulino bulwaye no tuyisako mulwa omusujja gwesuna kulino bulwaye kya sirimu obulwaye kya sirimu wairenga gavumenti iri kubusosa ne wesi ubunanyizibwa ubwongo omuntu bonati owetangira so ufuna okubita mu bikolwa byengeri egitasi na kirala so sinenda hoba henera hisera nenda kulambula ebiti basamu nje himuzungu shalanga negligence owene engweyo amanyire se ndi mwana munyole ndi mwana wa mutahitira ngo kubalomera omwana jagalwaya nga wesi ko wefulo musangu muje muleta ko yo panado mubwagira ko kwa katundu wefuye hina wefuye musangu ngate si wasoma busangu so abana yabano kasona holot wawona embera ne tasinda ngidulu mokuleteri hina chebo wonoti government ya Museveni nje president we gwanga lino mumumanyire abantu si bamanyire president Museveni banga bamanyire president Museveni President Museveni genda mubebalamu omweyongere ni mumwangala ni mumwangala agendera buluna kumuona President Museveni ne butalenda kano kali gakabayo genda mubebalamu ko hina ko mumwangala era ne 2026 ali kwenda hina era simwibirira so omwana n'abana lwaye mubamo hina edwaliro mubamo hina ndikulo maronyoro lumumuliro basi mumuliro actually buli muluha nga hanino tina kugombola ngedwaliro balyongera kwedala naye mu buli muluha gulimu edwaliro so lwa hino obo kumu mwana galwala gola humbera ino ngawe ko giboletera tumusango anya basangu bano sishirumbembe bosu nabaletera omulwaye embera niyo nonohire nje byomulira ngoti bikole hina bigene mwebale kupuliriza
Maera nangulia no somasangano abantu bashange kasi njolo matira hane dunde kole hina tina pulirisewa oje walimo utimba masahala ngo mshale yote baluka ba utimba family endale ngo yalo matisani abana banga obandi nabati humimo hina mu family abaje bamu utimbe humi sometime nga mu utimba utano olosi mukaga chimenezinga baziza hoshi no fune hina musuja andi ujo lo mo cheda galome elia madwali yagande kalima hina agandi gamu mahina ngani ngesene musati ngani dagale toto liba niligire mudwaliro ligasa mugaso hi kuchimize nuja mudwaliro bahunganda lisiti bahoro magiti na ukini kugure hina nedo edagale toto nyo liba niligire mudwaliro liba liri kujangena
ti olamire oti mudwaliro sugwana hisasula besa kuba tujanjaba naye ndine police esingo huona nti buli luwanda otusiwa homusayi ogwalusazi typhoid nenuwa yejindi ejeji humaya huti ejosito ba otusahe ku 5 ate ngolo minoti siuli na husasula besa lwashina omusayi ogwa musuja ogosiba gutusasusa ndi batusasa ogwa typhoid alusa.
Yeah, you explain.
Okay. Thank you so much, Bwana RDC. Yeah, as you know, government policy, there are reagents that the government does not send here. Like for ulcers, for typhoid, the government does not send those reagents here. A lot of tests are not supposed to be done here. But when we start as management, then the management agreed that instead of patients going to Mbale to do those tests, those reagents can be brought here and then the patients can pay at that subside prices. I am happy they said some are free like for malaria. That one the government, because we have the microscope, we have the MRDTs, which government sends here. But typhoid, ulcers, those ones, government doesn't send those reagents. And that's why the reagents are brought and they are given at that subsidy cost. Waliwo mutagula kowatemu wano? Kowatemu is ever here. Panado nga baleta wano oluvannyuma wa weeks nga 2 kati tulina Panado. Era RDC yabanyonyode wano ebikwatagana ne population. Tetusula mu katimba, kukwata katimba ne tuteeka wali mu nursery bed oba mu kinabiro ensiri ne tuluma ne tujja wano ng'abaana balina ki omusujja. Kakati mu weeks 2 kubanga omuntu mukulu atwala Panado 10 n'ameka na 8 kati tuli population ki wano Nabiganda catchment area. So mu weeks 2 tetulina ki era nga baleeta tubawa. When it is over netubagamba mugende mukole ki naye
that are not in the perimeters of government, and you say management says. Did the management consult with the Minister of Health? Did it?
we can work on that.
No. I want you to answer me. Did the management work in consultation with the Minister of Health?
No, I think they work under themselves.
Under themselves. That is illegal and it must stop from today. It is illegal and I'm going to follow it up with the DHO. Okay? This is where our people are crying. You make health services to be very expensive for the poor people. Yes, government treatment is free, whichever disease. You can't tell me that government can test HIV, can test malaria, can test other diseases, and it fails to test typhoid and others. It is illegal. Who is the chairman of management here? Guess who? This is senior. Guess who? And you guys, you are going to account for that money. You are going to account for that money. I want us, now that is an issue with Naviganda. You have to account for that money. Have you been receiving that money? Please find out. No, you find out now. Just go and find out if they have been receiving that money. I want an example of the receipt.
Typhoid and ulcer. Ekindi typhoid ulcer nekekirala the pressure musasula say
Let us be organized.
Bachange tukwogera amazima pressure
I think ekindi kulomeranga doctor nti nga mumangu omulwayi balina okusasusa ati baliho olina okusasula okuhebera sukali olina okusasula okuhebera typhoid bulusera. It is illegal. Era ke n'omulomera ati nenda kubyendulirizaho batulaga receipts gyebese. This is where government, you are failing the government to do work. That's okay. But who do you say hebese jalusa? Njana who do you say hebese? How do you say kumita and follow him here? The Musabu is the one who has taken money. Me call the DPC to send me a scar.
Yes.
How much?
5,000.
Can you listen?
One.
Osasuye mulala ebiri njanga. Osasuye mitwalo ebiri.
Sasudde emitwalo ebiri.
Jaki.
Typhoid n'omusumba.
Uliheja mu kamera.
Kamera.
Ndio tibone. Uliona namba ya oza.
Teremeka.
Omutwalo.
Jaki.
Njamu kamera, come in the camera.
Sinagire nga no bantu mati benda bakebere bulusera nga bantu mati oline ku mitano senti mbula result sindi jaja bantu mirati machine ifu joka bayanga bana ina ubosi ni babahebera bulusera basa silebesa niwo babahebera nali mbula besa era natina nitafunire nitafuanisye ulwaye era nolwalero ndingo woye era ulwaye weno.
Facility is saying that every service is supposed to be free of charge, and in that management, where I'm also one of the members, there was that concern that was there, because amongst the services that we need here and we don't offer, one, we have ultrasound services. Two, we have X-ray services. Three, we have what we call biochemistry. Now, under biochemistry is what has all those. The typhoid, then the ulcer test, and those other complicated tests that we cannot have because of the machines that we have here. So one time when...
But here they are charging even to test the pressure, my brother.
No. That one I have asked them. And if you get anybody who
So this one, you wanted an X-ray before they paid?
This one they wanted, most I've asked them. They paid for ulcers and typhoid. Which services, those reagents are not raised by government. And that's why I'm explaining on behalf of the facility.
So when I go to Mbale Referral Hospital to test for ulcers, where do I go?
And Mbale is the regional referral.
Yes.
So the level of reagents are set according to the levels. So you may get Mbale, maybe regional referral has. But for us as Nabiganda, Health Center 4, we don't receive those reagents.
That's why I asked you a question. Actually, let me be in the camera. That's from the Ministry of Health that authorizes you to charge this fee.
I don't know that. Maybe we need to get from the in charge, but in the management.
Get a call and you call the in charge.
In the management, I first were explaining.
No, I've understood what you're
Yes.
doing, but
So that is where the lab staff got the mandate from. So maybe what we would, maybe my advice would be, we will meet the management Who okayed
after you made statements.
Yes.
Yeah, after you make statements, you see, for us we are government. We shall meet the management. I have already caused this. I've been consulting with my boss. We have to go to police. These people record the statements. Then we shall begin from there. Because I asked you a question. This money you charge these people, is it receipted?
I'm sure it is not.
Now, where in government, where it is a tax from government which is not receipted? This is money going into people's pockets. Here people are crying out to say, oh, when we go to the hospital, they charge us. They charge us. We say, where is this? So if it is not receipted, who is taking that money? Do you have the bank account where that money is banked after being collected from the patients? That's why Nambiro loves Sisi Jesh to help these people. That's why President appointed us to help these wananchi, because he knew that they are being squeezed. Just bring it 20, bring it 10, bring it 5.
How are you?
Not explain.
Where are you? Mbale Naviganda. You come to the facility. I have the RDC.
With you guys to know which challenges do you have. Like I was at one facility, I really appreciated the way that clinical officer is doing work. He was able to bring out the challenges they are facing. It also gives us a platform to address them to where we write reports. Yeah. So now, like here, how many are you people? 14. So how do you handle the duty? You are all 14 here on a daily basis?
3 or 2?
3 or 2?
Okay, that is the nursing department. Then information is 1. Some days 2, like when I was there 2. Lab, some days there are 2, some days 1. Midwives, on a daily basis you can find 3.
No, I want us to see these are the nurses, this is this thing before we go into the duty.
Nurses.
6 nurses.
3 midwives.
3 midwives. Clinicians.
Lab people. 2 lab technicians.
2 lab technicians.
Maybe 2 cleaners on payroll.
2 cleaners.
That side they are putting measles. This side they are mixing.
This is a very serious outbreak.
Yes.
Abahaire muti. Muliro. Abalwaye kala ne baluma. Abalwasanja banyena. Nasi mwe bali kujandaba. Kuli walambula ose mumanyire. Bana ngise kimena ngire ko ngoma yabago. Uli ukenda amagwaliro yo n'amahanga esaokerere. Uli ukenda amagwaliro ni kulambula embeera y'omulimo nokuwona ati mufuna obujanjabi. Obujanjabi muli kuufuna? Nisho nje ingeno omuntu naaba naaloma manyireko kulimu security. Omuntu naaba naaloma omulehagaho lahina obalomire tusaali kufuna obujanjabi. Oli kuganirisa okuloma Okay. So obujanjabi muli bufuna. So kulino kusoso ulwaye ekyo musujja gwesuma. Nganya abasangu bali kunomera ati abaana bana balwayo lukusense. Mwabasa esimwafuyeyo kubaleta okeneresayo pisa y'omwendo okubagema. Ngate government ingwayo yaleta program zijjo hugema yalangirira muleta abaana ohole hina babageme. So buli hitu government shehola ekihola hulowulangirwa abantu baayo. Ninga bango program yo hugemesa abaana mujumbiro hujjo ohola hina ohugemesa abaana. Omusujja gwesuna mwenyewe mutimba wesuna. Enya asiri twetoloye ngahanisha ngano any charge we sinya asuli na lingi. I don't know how you guys maintain your compound. Enya asiri twetoloye kulisange ebikebekebe bitwetoloye no buvwera woni bubangangwe enyo fulane gwesuna gisaliramu. Yindi ukeshanga unyonyola abantu uti government nolongerese ddagala ly'eneringi. Nenge foni kutafayo hubula mugwefe buludalo ni kulino hulwala ni kulino hulwala. Ujo uheneresa ni kuja mudwaliro edagala lingomayo mudwaliro. Nenga government iberetire edagala nolo hubati ehi muzungu sharanga ati demand is very high. Not edagala litina mangu. Songa ate singa kufayo kwa soso musujja guno hagwetangira. Edagala government noereta libamo yajanjaba kwaba batonotono ababusuna ho bani udulumire ni uhorehina ni ulumire ndicho hubiri ebisera biuhena ngano mudwaliro bigose gwange nyuma because ona bamulwaye soba muhi muzungu charanga ati productive activities soba noli ngahanishe mwabalwaye abalingano si wahangamba kidimatu wa oli utega hisambusho ule hati oba oliho ho mwirungu oli ukolaho kubanga oba oli mulwaye neni hubabala mu usowolo hubani okwenyigira mu ukola emirimu ejireta habesa ejizimba amagogefe so hufweyo hula mu wefwe newe nkubadenga government yefwendangi efuyeyo hona itufuna ujanja uwo werere jimena mbiroge manya gange ngandi assistant RDC owe butaleja for now. President yatusindika okukola emirimu ezitali zimunga mwemuli okugobera n'okulondoola programs za government. Monitoring of government programs. Onako olwaleero njagala kubuulira abatuwuliza nti tubadde ne exercise ey'okutambula mu malwaliro. Ngekigendererwa kulaba abantu bafuna obuweereza. Omanyi we twogera ku kigambo service delivery abantu bakyogera bwogezi ne bakirekaawo. Naye kibadde kitukwatako nga ofisi ya RDC okulaba nti n'abantu bafuna obuweereza. Mwezi guno ogwa January gwonna ngenda gumalira mu malwaliro. Ndina listi y'amalwaliro gonna agali mu district y'e Butaleja. Ngelisi y'amalwaliro gano tewali ddwaliro eriri mu Butaleja. Tewali ddwaliro era njagala bakakasa tewali ddwaliro eriri mu Butaleja lyentagenda kutuukamu ng'omuntu. Sigenda kutuma mwana oba sigenda kutuma muntu yenna wabula mu malwaliro muno ndina okwetuukiramu nze kennyini. Ng'ekigendererwa kyakulaba abantu bafuna obujjanjabi. Kuba tubadde ne claims nga bagamba nti abasawo eddagala werijja balitunda. Kwagamba nga ate abasawo bo bagamba nti ffe tetutunda ddagala kati bino bye tugenda okunoonyerezaako bwe tuba tutambula eddagala werijja likozesebwa bulungi oba terikozesebwa bulungi. Ekirala facilities zino oluvannyuma lwa government ozizimba how are they being looked after? Nga mugenze mulaba tutambula ngamba abasawo the hygiene. Yes, amalwaliro agamu embeera ebizimbe tebiri mu mbeera nungi nti the maintenance of the environment obuyonjo sibwe bukuumiddwa bulungi, so tugenda kubeera nga tukumakuma ku bayini charges ab'amalwaliro okulaba nti amalwaliro it is a health facility, kubanga era gye tugenda okusimbirako ddala esira eri ku extortion, and this must stop. Extortion okujja ku balwadde ssente ezitali mu mateeka, kubanga ffe tuvaayo ne tugamba nti n'obujjanjabi bwa bwereere ng'ate wano abasawo bo bajja ku balwadde. Mbadde ndi kucekinga nga lisiti ya malwaliro ge tulina 25 health facilities mu district y'e Butale. Mulimu neza private naye nga ndooza eya private erimu emu Kabasa Memorial Hospital. Ezisinga za gavumenti zonna tugenda zituukamu tulabe, newebeera ya private ng'ejjanjaba abantu ba gavumenti tugenda kutuukamu tulabe obuweereza obugenda mu maaso mu ddwaliro obwo butuukana n'omutindo. So mbadde ndi kwogera ku extortion okujja ku balwadde ssente, ekyo tetugenda kiikiriza, era eno warning njagala gisindikira abasawo. Olwaleero tutambudde mu malwaliro, eddwaliro limu ery'e Nabiganda, there is a lot of extortion. E Nabiganda there is a lot of extortion. Basasuza abalwadde n'essente nti za kubapima pressure. You see, wemba nseka temusuubira nti no binsanyusa. Basasuza abalwadde n'essente nti za kubapima ulcers. Naye nga mu ddwaliro lya gavumenti w'obuuza in charge ssente zino ziri mu mateeka nti ate twatuula ne tukaanya. Obabuuza kati muzisoloza mututeeka ku akawunti ki? Tebalina akawunti. Obuuza kale muleeteko receipt book tulabe omwaka okuva okutandika mwaka kuŋŋaanya mmeka kasa muzikuŋŋaanya, tebalina receipt book. Kale ebintu ng'ebyo bimenya amateeka. Extortion, era olwaleero action eteekeddwa. Bajjeko bakoze statement, bantu balinga 10 bakoze statement ku poliisi e Nabiganda. Ndagide ne in charge w'e Nabiganda naye agenda akole statement ku poliisi. Omulimu n'engutiika poliisi okola investigation. Kyensuubira nti investigation ziwe zinaaba ziwedde, in charge w'e Nabiganda alina okuvaayo to answer some of these issues. You are helping when babies come to life. You are not slapping mothers. No.